Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm using my phone just because I can't fit my laptop in here, and you can see from this package, this is my hamster cage. It's pretty big, but yeah, it's pretty big, and I just opened it up so it wouldn't be so tricky on camera. But I'm so glad because on the inside it's in a much smaller box, so I was a little bit worried thinking how am I going to fit this in my pet room, but luckily it's in a smaller container and it was very well packaged. There's lots of this wrapping, this extra packing paper, and hopefully nothing is broken. So I'm going to take this box out and then let's get started. It was really funny that this box is pretty much half the size of my IKEA dresser, and that's why I kind of panicked when I got home because I was thinking, oh my god, this box is humongous, the cage is going to be humongous, how will it fit into my pet room? But luckily that's not the case. I had to tip it on the side because I'm quite short, so I definitely wasn't going to be able to lift it up. So let the unboxing continue. So here you have the giant, massive box, and hopefully the cage won't take too long to assemble. I'm not the best at assembling things, so I'm going to just have to watch a YouTube video and see how this goes. So stay tuned, and yeah, this should be interesting.